Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Yelp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and log out of Yelp because maybe you're logged on to another device. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto Yelp. Next, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on the Me icon. Then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says Settings. So click on Settings. Next, on the bottom hand side, you're going to see the option to go ahead and log out. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and log out of Yelp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see